This assortment from OURU provides a very generous selection of 175 hose clamps in multiple common sizes, so you are rarely left hunting for the right fit for a job. The clamps are made from 304 stainless steel, which holds up well against rust, moisture, oil, and salt exposure in demanding environments. Their worm gear mechanism and smooth, deburred edges give a strong, even grip on hoses without cutting into the material, helping to prevent leaks and failures. The wide adjustment range from roughly 1/4 inch to 2 inches makes this kit useful for everything from small fuel lines to larger plumbing and radiator hoses. A sturdy organizer box with clearly marked clamp sizes, plus the included hand tools, makes it easy to keep the set tidy and quickly dial in the tension you need. Because they can be reused and work across automotive, marine, home, and industrial applications, this kit becomes a versatile go-to option for both professionals and serious do-it-yourself users.